Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the second part of typography, chapter 1. Topic is categories of typewriter. In this part, we will discuss 5 types of typewriter: standard typewriter, noiseless, portable, electric, and electronic typewriter. Standard means which type of typewriter? That is recognized by a set of rules or a set of model, or it is approved, or it provides the excellence. It means standard means the which is recognized as a rule or model of approved merit and excellence. It is a model of excellence for purpose it is used. It means it will fulfill the requirement of user. And standard typewriter firstly perfected by Underwood Company in 1896. It was the first typewriter that was following as the perfect rules for a user, that is fulfilling the requirement of user. And these are the features of a standard typewriter. It was a 4-row keyboard. It means 3 rows for alphabets and 1 row for numerics. The arrangement of key in similar order of letters. A single shift operation of capital and additional character. One shift key was for caps letter or additional characters, like if you want to write semicolon, comma, etc. A shift operation was only single key. And visibility of writing by front upstroke type bar action, which means the type is arranged in a semicircle in front of machine. It means it was in the semicircular form in front of a machine. It was in a circular form and strike upward on the paper, and whatsoever key we are pressing, it was striking on the paper and printing the output. Any typewriter which does not have any or all these features is called a non-standard typewriter. Any typewriter which is not having these features, which is having less features, is not the part of standard typewriter. And prior to the invention standard typewriter in 1896, all typewriters were called as non-standard typewriter because all were not following all the rules that are required for a standard quality. Noiseless typewriter now. Noiseless, as the name suggests, that will reduce the noise. This typewriter works on the principle of pressure printing. It means a user will use the method of pressuring on the keyboard. Two methods are used. One method is stroke, second is pressure. Stroke method, it means a user is looking on the keyboard and typing the keys. But in case of pressure printing, user will use the soft keys and without looking on the keyboard, he will print. It means pressure printing is a method of typing with a technical skill, and it makes less noise than any other ordinary typewriter. That we have already told, it reduces the less noise when we are going to type the number of keys. The first noiseless typewriter came in market. It was produced in 1910 with 3 rows of keys. It means 3 rows were there for alphabets. A numeric key was not there. A perfect noiseless typewriter was produced in 1925. It was the excellence typewriter for noiseless technology that was produced in 1925. And this typewriter is used by the operator when he or she has to sit in a room with an officer. Suppose a user wants to sit with a principal in a school, so he will try to reduce the noise for printing or typing. In that situation, we can use the noiseless typewriter. And the main drawback of this typewriter is that it could hardly produce 2 to 3 copies at a time. It means maximum number of copies can be produced 2 to 3, and the quality of copy is not clear. It means it produces the blurred number of copies, more than 1 copy. Next is portable typewriter. As the name suggests, portable, that can be transferred from one location to another location. These are the features of a portable typewriter. The portable typewriter has lighter in weight. It means its weight is very light. Second one, it is used by traveling operators. We want to switch from one location to another location. And it is also useful for professionals, businessmen, journalists, doctors, executives, and other person. It means it is used for professional purpose, a professional traveling agency, or you can speak any executive officer or a clerk, or you can speak a marketing person can use it for typing a document during the course of his business tours. and it takes less little space. It can be carried and easily attached case. It means it can be folded in a attached box. It can be used as a briefcase. And all portable typewriters has a 4-row keyboard. 4-row keyboard is there. It means it follow all the standard keys. And these their operation is similar to that of a standard typewriter that I told now, because a standard typewriter is also having the 4-row keys, and portable typewriter came in market in 1931. Next one, electric typewriter. The first electric typewriter was produced by Blinken's Manufacturing Company of Stamford in 1902, and an improved version, it was the trial version. The improved version was came in market in 1938, and it was the excellence version, and it used a cylindrical type wheel rather than individual type bar. It will use the electric technology. When the key operations are operated on a keyboard, the typing head revolve to the required printing position and print the character. The golf ball can be easily replaced by printing head with different type of faces. It means we can print different type of faces like Times New Roman, Courier form. Different type of fonts are supported with the help of golf printing typewriting, and there is no need to use the hands to return the carriage from left to right position. Generally, in case of typewriting, after every line a user need to change the position of typewriter from left to right position, but in that case there is no need to rearrange or reset the position again and again, and a very light and feather touch is needed for operation. It means the key operations or keyboard is very softer when we are going to press the keys, and the operator does not tired even after many hours of work. It provides a soft printing, soft work. Because of that, a user can work for a long time. And there is uniformity of impression on the paper. A quality of paper is very good. Printing quality will be good. Neat work is produced. And different typefaces can be taken by changing the golf ball. That I told now, we can perform different type of uh, font types. And mathematical typewriting can also be done. That is also possible by changing the golf ball to one having mathematical sign. Many symbols like equal to, plus, minus symbols are possible, whereas the same facility is not available in the ordinary manual keyboard. In general keyboard it is not there, but in case of electric typewriter, multiply, addition, subtraction, these type of mathematical operation can also be produced very easily. Next is electric typewriter. It is the latest typewriter. It is working. It works like a computer machine. Electric typewriter is an improved. Electronic typewriter is an improved in electric typewriting. Typewriter. This typewriter has been produced in market in 1982, and electronic typewriter are based on sophisticated microprocessor chip. Where microprocessor computer technology is there, it means storage capacity is good, and printing quality is also good, and the data storing capability is also good. It has a variety of features like you can automatically feed the paper on machine. It can give different type of margin spaces, left, right, top and bottom. Tabular space, tabular stops we can give, tab space we can give, border printing we can give, bold printing we can give. Carriage return, it means backspace key is also there. Underscoring, we can also press the underscore sign. And margin justification, we can justify it left, right, top and bottom direction. Decimal tabulation and centering. Center spacing is also available, and it has a storage memory that I told now. Only because of microchip technology it can store a good quality of data with like word processor, but the memory is of a limited degree. Memory capacity is limited, but it can store data for future reference. There is a visual display screen of 2-3 lines. It means in a general typewriter, a user can look only the particular word that we are going to type. But in case of electronic typewriter, a user can look 2 to 3 lines. If any error is there, he can easily correct it. If there is any correction, it can be carried out before giving the print command. And the printing element is normally daisy wheel with a character at the end of each stroke. It means a different type of faces we can give the different size like 10, 12 and 15 pitch with proportional spacing we can give. Daisy wheels are easy to load and can be easily and quickly changed. On certain typewriting, bilingual system is also available. Bilingual means different type of language it can support. Text can be both formatted. It can be either in English language or either it can be in the Hindi language on typed on the same machine with the help of electronic typewriter technology. Only daisy wheel rotation is required. Daisy wheel will be change the language problem. And correction of first page can be carried out automatically with the help of keyboard on the with the help of keyboard. And after typewriter technology, the latest technology came in market, that was computers and laptop. Computers are being used by everywhere. Are most of services like railways, banking, airways, electricity, hotels, schools, colleges, ships, big malls are dependent on the computer technology. The main characteristics of computer are it is faster in speed, higher storage capability, capacity, accuracy, reliability and versatility. And you will read the more about computer in the different following pages when we will discuss the next chapters. And laptops are those printers or those computers which can be operated by putting in your labs. These are used in businesses and at the home to communicate on the computer network for word processing and to play games. And these types of laptops have large amount of internal memory to store different programs and documents. And the major things we can use as a portable devices. These laptops are equipped with a keyboard, mouse, trackball and other pointing devices and a video display monitor or LCD to display information. It means we need not to attach different peripheral devices. It is already fitted in a one machine. They have similar hardware and software as the PC having. This is all about your chapter 1 of typography. If you are having any problem, you can contact me on this number. This number is available for WhatsApp and calling, both services. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day.